Papa, I'm very, very angry. How could such a thing be happening in this house? And everybody kept quiet about it.
Felicia, my daughter.
Papa.
You don't have to trouble yourself. One day, Wakebu Amobi, he brought this upon himself. Onya batalon kwaroro ngwele webiali olili.
Papa, that's not enough reason for us to bring shame to this house. Eh? Papa, in fact, when I heard it, I was very angry. Imagine, people are mocking this family because of this. In fact, I'm here to warn Basoro.
Papa, good day.
Good afternoon. You're back so soon?
Yes, Papa, there is scarcity of corn in the market. So I quickly sold the ones I already have. That is why I'm back so soon.
Basoro.
Eh?
I'm here because of you.
I hope there's no problem. What is it?
I need to go Monte, Maka give him money. So, my brother married you into this house to be beating him every day. You turned my brother into a punching bag.
Felicia, and today, I have confirmed that you are truly insane. You have lost your sanity. What kind of nonsense talk is that? What do you mean by that?
You are asking me. You don't understand. The story of how you turned my brother into a punching bag has come to my ear. And I've come to warn you. Basalo. Asking you what kwe akon we no fe tubo ora aka mmadụ.
Ya woro aka ewu. Ya woro aka mmọnwụ. In fact, ya woro aka di ma aka ibe. You are very, very stupid and senseless. What kind of nonsense talk is this? Felicia, or whatever your name is called, you don't have any right whatsoever to come into my husband's house and order me around. How dare you? You're here to tell me how to run my home. Who are you? Listen, you should go back to your useless husband and control him. Oh, don't come here and tell me how to live with my beloved husband.
Do you want to beat him? Yes! It is one more. Something is wrong with your head. What is wrong with you? See not this prostitute. Your poor wife. Or not getting a prostitute. Prostitutes. Your generations are prostitutes. Something is wrong with your head.
Felicia, you called my own wife a prostitute in my presence.
How
be Superman? If I remind to call my wife a prostitute in Ankomamobi.
Look at you.
It was when it's your two left leg. But into my husband's house.
If you think
I will start living with
Papa? Papa what? Papa? Felicia, you are the one.
Baby, why are you treating me like this? With a May?
Ikenga, what did I do?
I have been inviting you to my house, and each time you always disappoint me.
Ikenga, please, I'm scared. I'm so scared, okay? I don't want your mother to pour me hot water.
My mother will not do you anything. No. See, let me tell you something. Any day you will come to my house, I will let you in through the back door.
Hey!
Are you laughing at me?
No, I'm not laughing at you. Please, I have to leave now. We can talk about this next time, okay?
Fine. Come. See. Where are we?
Leave me alone.
Wait, first.
Come back here. Come back there.
Mazidoko, good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, but what are you doing with my daughter?
Nothing, we were only discussing.
Discussing what? Discussing what, Ikenga?
Yes, Papa, it's true.
Will you shut up there? Shut up!
How many times have I warned you to stay away from my daughter? Ikenga!
I was not doing anything with your daughter other than I can have it. Simple.
Yes, Papa.
Shut up! Look at you! Now, go home!
Ikenga! Mazi.
I'm warning you and you're still lubricating my daughter's waist with your eyes. Ikenga!
Oh, I am checking if the sand is still there. Do you understand?
Ikenga! See one. I'm warning you for the very last time. Stay away from my daughter. Kita Ike upon his shows, I am Ako. Stay away from my daughter.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Kita Ike upon his shows, I am Ako.
Hey! Come on, call on Hey!
I've come to warn you for the very last time. Warn your son Ikenga to stay away from my daughter. Because if he gets her pregnant, I won't take it lightly with him.
Your daughter? Who is your daughter, please? What is her name?
What kind of question is that?
I want to know.
Hold your son Ikenga, that's all I know.
Hey, and you have the effrontery to come to my house to warn me over your daughter. That useless daughter of yours.
My daughter useless?
Of course she is. She used to come to my house every now and then. Mama, let me fetch water for you. Let me go to the market for you. You are the one to hold your daughter.
I thought you were responsible.
Hey, I am not responsible.
Now I know you are not.
You are not. You are an irresponsible man.
You are not responsible.
Will you shut up that gutter you call mouth?
That big toilet
you call mouth.
Shut up. You're talking to me like this.
Shut up.
Look at it. The Kenga's mates and none of them are in the village. All of them are in Lagos hustling, trying to make a living.
Where are you? In the village. All the girls you have impregnated. Allow my son to do his own turn.
Have I done anything to you?
You cannot.
Have I done anything?
You can't afford it. I am bigger than you, greater than you, richer than you. You are living in a hut. I'm living in a zinc house.
Obiageli, hear yourself talk.
Who are you to come to my house and talk to me?
Nobody will talk to you. No problem.
You can't do nothing.
No problem. When the chips are down, you know who is who.
You are not going to.
Look at you. Opina Obiageli. Look at you. Hold your son.
It is only you that are going to other people's Jerusalem. We will go to your own daughter's school. My son will be going to Kupiaria. You have the infantry to come here. I know you. Let me see you here again. You have the infantry to come here to point an accusing finger on my face. Who are you? Monkey. Idiot.
If I gonna if I gonna I could you not go okay. I am a fan, baby. It's not gonna say no. I am a piece, baby. Family have divided. One idea holonanya, asiya puta balaisi kelibe. One idea holonanya, asiya pata babisi kakuba. One idea holonanya, asiya kotoko kataba. Sink your head to you, give me the money. My husband, the man you be. Work very hard. My husband, did you all fingers are not equal. Man no for the mirror. I'm no be murderer. knows his neighbor's heart. I'm Obi, Madi, baby. You cannot predict your neighbor's heart. When you see Obi, Madi, baby. Yes, Obi, Madi, baby. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart. I'm Obi, Madi. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart. I'm Obi, Madi, baby. You cannot predict your neighbor's heart. When you see Obi, Madi, baby. Yes, Obi, Madi, baby. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart.
Stop here. You're going to a market, right?
Yes.
Give us all the money you have here.
I don't have any money.
Bring it, the money now.
Thief! Somebody please help! Thief! Somebody help me, thief! Oh God! Somebody help me! They took my money, brother. They took my money. They stole my money. Some boys. They took my money. They ran into the bush.
Where?
Inside the bush.
Okay, you know what? Get inside. Let me take you out of this place.
I'm going home and tell my mother what has happened now. They're taking my money.
You don't want to go to the market again?
No.
Oh, okay. Like, how much did they take from you?
3,000 that my mother gave me.
The whole 3,000.
Please, I beg you now,
Okay,
bring my money.
You said it's 3,000. Take. This place is too lonely for you to stay here. Take it and live here now. They might come back for you.
But I don't know you.
I am just helping you. Okay?
Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's okay.
God bless you. Let me
You
go
have to
to
leave
the
here
market.
Run. Leave here now. These boys, they've started again on this road. Yeah?
I just like coming to this man and one.
Ogizu! Is it there, Don? Ha! Ogizu! The best pan wine seller in Umo.
You can say that again. I'm on a baby. See, Amobi. Anybody that doesn't know you has not entered this town. I'm on a baby.
You best one mother. Mother is open. Please register me. I'm very thirsty.
So,
my people. No, wait on.
Okay. So now, how do you want it? Is it fresh?
Ogizu.
Or is it by?
Ogizu. If you want to insult me, give me sign.
Never
overnight, Karaka, let me liquidate. What are you talking?
Overnight? Hey!
I have money to spend here today.
See, Amobi. Government has changed. Everything has changed. Overnight is costly. One bottle, 250.
Ogizu, I have said it. If you want to insult, I have money to spend. Let me be liquidating. There is money to spend.
I'm on baby.
Okay.
I will give it to you.
Madezoku.
I will give it to you.
Madezoku.
I will give it to you.
And is that your Nkobi and bushmeat? Are they ready?
Obi. I have Nkobi, but bushmeat. I have some issues with bushmeat now. But Unko, Nebi, and Amo, Bilebi, they are around.
But bring my pie wine, let me be liquidated. Why these other ones are ready?
Okay.
No, I mean, while bring the Nkobi that is.
I'm coming.
Hey, Ogizu. Hi, wonderful. That is how it used to be. You know, some situations, when the situation change, you change the situation, eh? Hey.
Okay, so we are here.
They will give, remember my disciples. When they come, one bottle or each. One bottle each. And hey, Obiam.
Amo.
Obiam.
Ibilebi.
Obiam. Hey, Obia. Yes. Give me this thing. You want my saliva to be pouring. When they will be bring.
It will be ready in the next 30 minutes.
The bushmeat.
You see that bushmeat? When the bushmeat is ready, I will let you know. But for now, let me go and do the nkwobi. Amo,
yeah, my man. It's Rika. Hey. We will be enjoying. This is it. This is it. Hey. I will do my work here today.
Ogamobi, we are here.
Don't worry, I will give it to you. Bring them some bottles of
that's what we're always talking about.
Okay, so they bring the bottles of palm wine, no? We cannot kill ourselves. Poverty, waka. Chop money, welcome.
I have a new song. A new song.
Hey. You are more than what people think about you. Please. Position it. Hi. This is wonderful.
You see?
I say I have money to spend here.
Go. See, I inherited it from my forefathers.
I trust you.
They have been doing this work, so I inherited it from them.
I say you are bigger than what people think.
Hey!
Money good though. Money is good. Remember my disciples.
I'm coming.
How can one go to a place he calls his workshop? He will work from morning till evening and go home with empty pocket. It is not possible. I will spend my day here today. Today is public holiday. And my morning will end here. Hi! What is... Hi! What is bigger than money itself? Let me be enjoying. Life is good.
It's like this man have forgotten us.
Please, I tell you to give them one.
I'm coming.
This one will soon finish.
Onye wisi akubi obula kuya, echene balaku. Onye wisi akubi obula kuya, ngabo kwa another case. Ndim kwechili, ngabo kwa another bata.
Yay! 2,050 naira. Indeed, today is a good day.
I pray tomorrow will be better.
Chimeze, I am tired of that organizing business. Biko, lend me some money. Let me start up another business. I'm the only brother you have. I will say, I'm sure I will pay you back when I start making profits. Biko.
Amobi, so let me tell you something. I know a lot of people who are into the same kind of business you do, and they're all doing well. Why is your own different?
Thank God that you asked me this question. Let me tell you something. You see all those organizers that are successful you see on the street. It is not organizing business that is giving them money. They have other businesses that are giving them money. That is why I'm telling you, give me something. Let me start up a different thing. Then I will pay you back when I start making profit.
The thing is that things are hard now, okay? I'm supposed to settle one of my boys this month, but there is no money. Things are hard. I'm
your elder brother.
Let me quickly keep this money before this useless man sees me.
Amobi, be madu. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart. I'm a be muddy baby. You cannot predict your neighbor's heart. Oh yes, you must be muddy baby. Yes, you must be muddy baby. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart.
Hey! Amobi has killed me. Amobi a worm. No. No! I will not take this. I will not take this one. I won't. I will not take this one. Amobi! Hey!
Amobi, see the problem now.
Amobi! Where's my money? Where is my money? Give me my money. Give me my 1,500 naira. Kita. Let me go.
Mboso, you can see I am discussing my future with my brother. Do you get it?
Do you have a future? I don't even want to talk to you. Hey! So you used my money to go and drink beer. Leave who?
Amobi.
You are a liar. See, you have to provide that money.
Did you take our money?
Am I crazy?
I will kill you today, oh. After toiling in the market, hawking come all over the market, then I'll bring money back home. You will use it and go and drink beer. You will use it and go and drink beer. You're a shit man. No. I will not.
Bossalandi Amobi, what is your problem? This kind of pattern I never see him before. When I come to see Amobi, can you fucking man? Go with this out.
My son. How are you?
Papa,
I thought you went out.
no, Papa, I've been inside my room.
How was work today?
I thank God for today.
Okay. Take Papa now.
No, Papa, I don't want to eat anything now. I'm good.
You don't want Papa? No. Papa is good for our health. Even it has Yanya Vara Naija. I can get Yan.
Papa, there is something I would like to discuss with you and Amobi.
What is that noise?
It's Amobi and the wife again. Yeah? They've started again.
Amobi.
They won't allow someone to rest in this house. I'm going to come out in 1 minute a week. Can you imagine?
If you dare get up there, Tikwemia, I will kill you and bear the consequences.
Mboso, have you not beaten me enough? You will kill me.
I will kill you. Makachuku, if you talk again, I will beat you till you vomit everything you have taken today. Useless man. Idiot. Until you make
Mboso, because of 1,500 naira, that is why you're treating your husband like this.
Amobi, you call my hard-earned money ordinary 1,500 naira. Papa!
What is the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what? What is the meaning of what? This useless thing you call a son stole my money. That's how for when I go. He's not getting up.
Is that why you threw your husband on the ground?
He's not getting up until he gets up. Where am I?
Is that why you threw your husband on the ground?
Yes. He should give me my money.
The man that married you with his money.
Papa, this thing is not my husband and will never be. If he doesn't give me my money, he's not getting up from here. Hey!
How much is your money?
My money is 1,500 naira. Mento. If you let me want kita. I am the breadwinner of this family. This idiot will not acknowledge that. Nonsense.
That girl is so lucky today. I would have dealt with her.
Amobi, you are a useless man. You are a useless man. Every day, the woman you call your wife will be beating you up like a child. Yeah? Ivele mei Amobi. Ivele mei.
See, Amobi, let me tell you something. There's this ram in the north. One, they call it Muturumpafu. The other one, Ndamaturu. The other one, Red Boro. They're all stupid. That is what you are. Let me tell you something. I don't like the way you and your wife are fighting in this house. Yeah? I don't just like it. Every day, one problem or the other. I got what flu about Guinea.
Forget that thing you are saying. Is it because I'm on drugs?
Which drugs? Cocaine or marijuana?
I am on malaria drugs.
Ivele mechi. Uzuna wambu.
That is why I want you to help me. Let me start up business. Then Mbosolo will start respecting me in this house. The moment she sees that my life is changed, respect will come. Nyenum haka. Mbido business now, everything will change. Name with us, now add with the one you have already.
Amobi, this is the buo.
Oh, it has come to insult. Chimeze. Why you will not? Why, you should say what you like. Okay? It has gotten to a point of fear. This is working. Why won't you do that? Because you sealed your heart not to help me. Nerumaka, Mba. I don't know why you put it in your pocket to warm. Your brother is here suffering. Now it has come to you insulting me. The only thing that remains now is all the workers and the Agamalizat in this house to be insulting Amobi. There's no problem. But not so bad. Let me go to my house.
This problem, this kind of pattern, I never see him before. When I come to see a movie, can you fake it, man? Go be this own man. I'm be murder. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. I'm be. I'm gonna be murder. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. I'm gonna be muddy, baby. You cannot predict your neighbor's house. Oh yes, I'll be muddy, baby. Yes, I'll be muddy, baby. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. Echena baraku, onye wisi akwu bi obula akwu ya. Echena baraku, onye wisi akwu bi obula akwu ya. Nke bụkwa another case. Ndị mkpochiri, nke bụkwa another pattern. Ndị mkwenkwe, mbọsala ndị Amobi. What is your problem? This kind of pattern I never see him before. When I come to see a movie, can you fake it, man? Go be this own man. Amobi murder. Nobody knows his neighbor's house.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please, do you stay around this place?
Yes.
Okay, please, I need some help.
What do you want?
My car ran out of water and I need to top up.
Okay, water.
Please, can you help me?
Sir, you really don't remember me?
No, I don't really remember faces. Oh. Can you remind me, please?
Some days ago, boys robbed me of my money. I was going to the market.
Okay.
They took my money and ran into the bush. Then you came and you gave me some money. You gave me 3,000 naira. I'm the one.
Oh. How could I have remembered? Oh, thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, sir, for that day. I am very grateful.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
You want water?
Yes, I need to top up.
My house is not far from here.
Okay.
Give me a few minutes, I'll bring water for you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
If he finishes, I will not put another one.
No, you don't have to blame me. This soup is something else.
I got a banana here. Sorry. Please water. No. Go. You don't find the other. You stole one of the meats. So you started coughing for me to go inside and get you water. Why did you steal the meat? Eh? Oh, you're on the table. I vomit it. What is what? Vomit the meat. Vomit here. Why are you that way? You think I'm joking with you? Vomit it. Vomit it. Why are you holding your husband like that? He has to kill him. He has to vomit the meat. Vomit? You want to kill your husband because of leave him. Tell him to vomit the meat. If not, I will kill him. It's an abomination beating your husband. Leave him alone. Can you imagine? The stupid man started coughing. I went to get water for him, only for him to steal the meat inside his hand. Leave your husband alone. I will kill him. Don't say that. It's an abomination. How can you kill your husband because of me? Vomit it. Leave him alone. Hey, why you don't go now? Why you go? Why?
What do you do? Don't tell me you are coming from my house.
Ichie Patrick, I'm coming from your house. And I must tell you, I'm not happy with what my eyes saw in your house today. I'm not happy at all.
My own house?
Yes! What kind of daughter-in-law do you have? The way he was punching your son like a tiger, like a boxer, if not for my intervention, you would have, Amobi, your son would have been a dead person today. Huh?
My son, Amobi, is the architect of his own problem. I told him that lady Mbosolo is not wife material. He won't listen. Now, this.
Ichie Patrick, that is not enough excuse. If they keep doing that thing and kill somebody, you will say you told your son. You have to do something about this thing before it's too late.
Ichie Udo, I have tried. I have tried. You have to do something Yahweh, oh Yahweh, Yahweh, oh Yahweh, Yahweh, oh Yahweh, oh Yahweh,
I'm Obi Madu. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. I'm Obi Madi Begi. You cannot predict your neighbor's house. Yes, I'm Obi Madi Begi. Yes, I'm Obi Madi Begi. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. Echena balaku, onye wisi akubi obulafu ya. Echena balaku, onye wisi akubi obulafu ya. Nkabo kwa another case. Ndi mkwechi, nkabo kwa another bata. Ndi mkwenkwe, mbosala ndi amobi. What is your problem? This kind of pattern I never see him before. When I come to see a movie, can you fake it, man? Go be this own man. I'm Obi Madu. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. I'm Obi Madi Begi. You cannot predict your neighbor's house. Yes, I'm Obi Madi Begi.
Oh, my head.
You're right.
Yes, I'm alright. I have a slight headache. Yeah? Please, Janobina should finish the work inside. Because the owner might come tomorrow to carry it. Yeah? Okay, let me get home.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will try. We'll see what we can do. We'll try and finish it, sir.
It's okay. Let me go home and rest. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, sir.
I'm Obi Madu. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. I'm Obi Madi Begi. You cannot predict your neighbor's house. Yes, I'm Obi Madi Begi. Yes, I'm Obi Madi Begi. Nobody knows his neighbor's house.
How much is it?
Okay, your money is 150.
Eh? From Express to this place?
That has been the price.
Take, this is all I have.
Okay, your money is not complete.
What do you mean my money is not complete?
Money is going to remain 15.
It's like there's a problem.
Okay, say to me. Say to me, Oga.
What is the meaning of
your
this?
money remain 15 naira.
Look at this Okada man.
Your money remain 15 naira. Say to me.
Will you leave my clothes? What
do
you mean by saying to me? Look, I am not in my best mood. Let me go. I am not in my best mood.
Say to me, let me go.
I will slap you.
Your money remain 15 naira.
It's like there's trouble.
Say to me, let me go. Say to me.
Leave my hand.
Say to me, let me go.
Please, say to me, let me go. The bike man is a very stupid man. Could you imagine? From Express to this place, he insisted I'm going to pay him 150. And I gave him 100 naira. The next thing he did was to grip my clothes. A bike man gripping my clothes. Me, I'm Obi.
He beat you up?
Me, I'm Obi. I gave him uppercut. Taekwondo.
You?
Zakatan.
Who gave you strength?
Me?
Because I know for sure that you don't have strength. What
of Papa?
He went out. He said he was going to Doka's house.
Did Chimezie give you some money when he was leaving in the morning?
No, he didn't.
Did you tell him what I said?
Hamobi, why do you like unnecessary embarrassment? Why?
What do you mean by unnecessary embarrassment? I told you to tell Chimezie, my younger brother, that he should give you some money so that you go to market and buy the things we are going to cook this night. In a go embarrassment. Okay, are we going to sleep with empty stomach?
Are you drunk? Can't you talk? Idarobi, you should have told him yourself. Your brother, you know that he's very stingy. You wanted him to embarrass me, Makego. Please, people can yogi. Don't.
My brother is black.
Is that why you're opening your teeth?
You will not understand. Just wait here, let me meet him myself.
I still understand.
You may hear my brother.
Come and finish this, Gary.
I'm coming back now.
You know that motor. I want to get pere. You let me one kid. You come here to put Gary out.
I'm a be mother. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart. I'm a be muddy baby. You cannot predict your neighbor's heart. Yes, I'm a be muddy baby. Yes, I'm a be muddy baby. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart.
Chimese, you are back so early. I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. I'm just sorry.
Sorry.
Go to work today.
My brother, I just came back. You know, on Mondays like this, we don't usually have customers. Yeah. Since morning, I have been there waiting for any car or motorcycle that has punctured tires to work. I didn't see. So I decided to come back and rest.
What of the wife?
She's there inside.
Call her for me so she can help me.
I hope you have eaten. Because Mbosulu said that you didn't give her money when you were leaving in the morning to buy food. So there's no food in the house.
Well, she didn't tell me. And I'm so hungry. Eh? How can I go come out here? That means I'll go out and get something to eat.
Give my wife money, so that she will buy food and cook for us to eat. It's better than going outside to eat. You know, I've always warned you, don't eat outside. You don't know which one is hygienically prepared or not. Give her money.
Okay, like how much will she be needing?
5,000 naira, so that she will buy enough food condiments. 5,000 naira.
I have 5,000 here. I think it will be enough.
With this food money, India you go. India you go. Mbasolo.
Because she should be fast about it.
Listen, India you go. Mbasolo. Mbasolo.
Boy, I go tell more Biko.
Chimeze gave me all this. Hey! Let me pocket this one for my pan one liquidation. This 2,000 naira will be enough for most of it.
Who gave you money?
Chimeze.
You are a liar. Are you sure you have not stolen my money once again? What's funny?
I did not steal your money. I told Chimeze to give us some money so that you will go to the market and buy the things we are going to cook.
So Chimeze gave you 2,000 naira.
Bring down your voice.
This one you're telling me to bring down my voice. Are you sure this is not my money? Because I know how professional you are in terms of stealing. Ibonyori.
Don't insult me. Take this money and go to the market and then buy what we are going to do.
Amobi, I'm still not convinced. I really want to know how you were able to get this 2,000 naira from Chimeze. How?
I want to tell you something. Chimeze has changed. You see, from now onwards, we are going to be enjoying ourselves in this house. One would go. I am not tapia. Oh, I am liquidate. Do you know what is liquidation? It is enjoyment from now till infinitum.
Anyway,
so
it's a good news. Let me quickly rush to the market and buy the food stuff.
One more thing, you see this money, use it all. Don't remove Beckham. You know I will catch you.
You're a very foolish man. Ibonyala. You think I'm like you? You're a very foolish man.
Don't do that.
You think I'm you? Who about you? I'm like if Rokodi. Omo Gary. Ihere me wankata. Ruwa Gary. Gushiwa Ike. Anam Pama. Nonsense.
Oyangora Marugo.
Oh, Where is it, man, now? Where has he gone to? I'm hungry, oh. I'll eat without him. And what's all this now?
My elelicious elelicism. My elegantum. Hey!
Where did you go?
Hey, Tadego. Forget where I went to.
I'm waiting for you to us eat.
Yes, I can see the food is ready. I hope you did not do apricot as like I warned you.
So you have been drinking? You have stolen my money once again to go and drink.
Me? I'm Obi. Steal your money. For what now?
What do you mean for what? I am going to beat this money out of you now if you don't give me my money that you have stolen.
Stop this thing now. I did not steal your money. The money I drank with was given to me by Chimeze.
You a blatant liar. The Chimeze that I know will give you money. For what? Give me my money.
See, go and check that place you used to keep your money. If you go there, if you find anyone missing, come and hold me responsible. I told you that Chimeze gave me 1,500 when you left for the market.
Chimeze gave you 1,500 naira?
Yes, I demand.
How? However? How?
I demanded for it. You know, I told you that Chimeze has changed. If you ever need anything here on the planet Earth, tell me, I will tell Chimeze, he will bring it.
Really?
Yes. Have I ever spoken to you like this before?
In that case, I will not have any problems with you again. I will never beat you again. In fact, you are the most handsome man in the whole world. That is why I have been waiting for you, so that I get you on. So let us enjoy our
It's just to, so BP is too much in the house. So I don't want to.
Raise it up for your wife to wash first. Ladies first.
Don't worry, I like some of these manners. I grew up in the village, so this is the
and you have refused to learn.
That grew up. For what now?
Where did you get this one from?
From the market, of course. Courtesy of Chimeze. You know, I told Chimeze when he was leaving in the morning. I told him that it's been long we ate chicken in this house. So he asked me what I wanted. I told him that I would want my wife to cook with chicken. So he said I should come to his shop later in the day. When I got there, he gave me some money.
So, how much did he give you?
This is the chicken he said I should give to you. Well, are you not happy?
I'm happy. At least we eat chicken. It's been a long time we ate chicken.
Hey! My elections, baby. My elegantus. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Fire. Hey! That is what I want. See, quickly go and boil hot water. I will help you.
Do not teach me how to make chicken. I'm a professional cook. My
elegantus. My baby, just shake it. Fire it. Fire. Yekete. Makanda brekete. Hey! Ebum. This is what we call money. Mint. This is the money I made out of the 5,000. In the evening, I'm going to Izu's palm wine to do my palm wine liquidation. Is the hot water ready? Is it ready? Okay, let me come and remove the water.
So, I have told my mother everything we discussed.
You've already told your mother?
Yes. Was I too fast?
No. And what was her reaction?
She was happy now. She's very happy. Her daughter is getting married. Of course she's happy.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, I have to discuss with my father. then I'll get back to you. Okay?
Okay.
I have to leave now. You take care.
You too.
I'm glad I've seen you.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you. Your father came to our house, warning my mother to tell my brother to stay away from you. Meanwhile, it is you that has refused to stay away from my brother.
Meaning?
Meaning that you should leave my brother alone.
Ihoma, I will not have you insult me. You better learn how to mind your own business.
Ebere, are you about to walk away? Ebere. Okay. No, take a walk. Just keep walking till I catch you and those legs of yours near my brother. Walk, oh, you better walk, Ebere.
I'm not be murder. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart. I'm not be muddy, baby. You cannot predict your neighbor's heart. But yes, you'll be muddy, baby.
What's wrong?
Life is
good.
Life is good.
I can see that. I hope you're enjoying the food.
Very, very well. Everything is very delicious.
I'm a good cook. I need not to be told. Ngo.
What is this?
Look into it now. Nene.
We've won 5,000.
Bagam.
Attachment 4,000. Cream and soap 6,000.
Pichikom.
Body spray 2,500.
Bagam.
Necklace 2,000. Other things 5,000. Total 2,500.
24,500 is valuable.
24,500.
This is the list of all that I need. Yes.
I don't understand all this.
What do you mean you don't understand all this? You told me that if I want anything, I should tell you so that you can relate with your brother. So what else don't you understand?
Is that why you made this kind of list?
What is it now? Is it too much?
It's too much.
It is not too much. Is it your money?
Okay. See what will happen. I will talk to. Forget about this list. Forget about this list. I will talk to Chimeza myself.
What do you mean you talk to him? What do you want to tell him? If not this list, what else?
I know what to tell him.
No, don't tell him anything, no. Because I know you're a very corny man. Whatever you have to tell him has to do with this list. If not, when I get on so.
We're living in Obiago where before I married you.
Meaning?
Make sure you
give him this list, that's all. Okay. I am saying it though. If you don't give him this list and for him to give me what I need, you will not have peace in this house. You will not. You know me very well. You will not have peace.
Why? Women. You cannot live with them, yet you cannot live without them. Hey!
I thought you said you called your brother.
Yes, if I did. He's coming.
Yeah.
Chimeze, sorry to have delayed. I was busy doing something when you came knocking. I hope all is well.
All is well. Please, do sit down.
Yeah.
I called you and Papa to inform you that Never see you. Never can see you this. But it's well. Okay, it's a good news anyway. I've decided to get married and settle down.
Ah, that's good, my son. Yeah? I have been expecting this from you for a long time. Yeah? I'm happy now. Yeah?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, that's good.
Yes.
That means I and your brother will now find a woman for you.
No, Papa, there's no need for that. I've already found one.
Okay. You mean you want to tell Papa and I that you've seen the woman you want to marry?
Oh yes. And she's from Umi clan.
That's good. I am impressed. God will bless you, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
Eh?
Amen.
Have you proposed to her?
Oh yes. We're actually on our traditional marriage arrangement.
Huh? Oh, Chimezia, that was too fast. Hey, Papa, have you seen it? Sometimes on you should have informed us first, so if you broke it. Then we will do a proper investigation to know whether it is a family you will enter or not. You didn't make a proposal.
Okay, that one, forget. She's a good girl and she's from a good home.
No, we have to be certain. Eh? We have to be certain to know whether she's from Oru family or Usu family.
There is nothing like that in their family. It's a clean family. Anyway, I would like you and Papa to accompany me to that place on Friday next week for the introduction.
That is good, my son. I've heard what you have said. But before we accompany you, no problem. Cheers to my...
I wish I would be there to witness when Chimizie will be given that list. I do not want my husband to go there and spoil things for me. I don't want it to watch over my cocoa. Here. Anyway, I'm waiting for you. What happened? Why is your face like that? Did he refuse?
You should have first asked me why they sent for me.
Okay, sorry. Why did he send for you?
Meze is about to get married together and get children.
Hey! It's again. Chimizie? Odariana Mberede? Who does he want to marry?
He said the girl is from Umuibe clan. That's what he said.
Hey! That means Nsobudi power. Yes! Nsobudi. Because if Chimizie eventually gets married, he will shift all his attention from us to his wife. When he heard Eteria, we will not gain anything again.
You are right. You are right.
That is why we have to work hard. We have to fight and know who he wants to get married to and the family she's coming from. Why are you smiling? Amobi, this is not a smiling matter. It is a very serious matter. And even now, why? Because as a matter of fact, this is the wrongest time for him to get married. I mean, why will it be now? Why will it be now that we're about to enjoy everything? Why now?
No, do not worry. Nobody's going to take this golden opportunity God has given us. Nobody.
Ah! Okay. Have you given him the list?
I don't want to discuss with him this today again. It's tomorrow. I'll talk about that list with him.
Hey! Chimizie wants to get married. Now that he has started giving us money, he wants to get married. Anyway, I am waiting for whoever it is that he wants to marry. I'm waiting.
Hey! I'm over there. Arad.
Who if not Ihuoma? Onyoriano, why did you steal the meat? Who else?
Most of it, it's okay.
Papa, it's not okay.
It's okay.
No. Why are you like this? Why do you always insult me? What kind of insult? It is not an insult. You are a thief, Ihuoma. You are a thief. A certified one at that. Papa, you're telling me it's okay. I know you have always been on her side. But don't worry. Very soon, Oga Okwagi can't, and you will know what I'm saying. Okwagi? My eyes are on you in this house. Yakili kwen ni oso wita anu no neba. Yakili kwa oso.